In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start generating $100 to $500 selling PLR products using the organic method. In our previous video, I showed you guys how to sell PLR products using paid advertisement method. In today's video, you're going to discover a game-changing side hustle that has the potential of making like $100 to $200 daily. And this is not influencing. You don't need to put your face out there before you can start this side hustle. I even call this side hustle an automated sales machine, because once you have everything set up, you can just sit down and start watching massive sales popping in. What exactly is this side hustle? This is basically selling digital products that you don't own. By now, you must have known, or if you don't know before, that you have to sell something before you can actually make money online. Is that you have to sell your skill, or you have to sell services, or sell your product. You have to sell something, right? But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell PLR digital products and easily make money from it. Believe it or not, you can actually make a whole lot of money selling digital products online. Check my screen very carefully. This is one of my digital products I'm selling, and as you can see, just last month only, I was able to pull in over 2.6 million naira with just this one product only. So what I'm going to be revealing here can be a game changer for you, and it can even be more than a side hustle for you. You can actually go in full time with what I'm about to reveal to you in this video. The best part of this is that you don't have to create this particular product yourself. I'll show you the step-by-step on how you can get these 100% resellable courses, and also how you can market it and how you can start making money off of it. Now, a lot of you guys have requested that I do video on the organic method, in which I'll be sharing all the steps completely 100% in this video. If you haven't watched the previous video, I will advise you go ahead and watch it right away before you start proceeding with this video, because I'll be referring to some terms in the previous video. I value your time so much, I won't want to be repeating the same thing over and over again. I will try as much as possible to go directly straight to the point, to the additional knowledge that you need to have regarding selling PLR products. So if you recover in our previous video, the steps are very simple. So what I want to show you guys in this video, you already know the first step is finding our niche. The second step is selecting products from PLR products, or the free PLR products that I actually gave you guys in the previous video. So the part that I'll be showing you in this video is just the organic part, how you can do this organically. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. Now, from the concept of the previous video, you must have known that before we can actually make a whole lot of money selling PLR product, we need to promote this particular PLR product to a massive audience. And the best way to do that organically is to use all our social medias. Okay, so the best way to actually get massive attention organically is to create highly engaging video that people can't resist to watch when it is related to their niche. Now, this particular step that I'm about to reveal to you is just like copy and paste. It is so simple. So just keep on following me. So what you have to bear in mind, the first thing that we have to bear in mind, that we need to create highly engaging quality video that people will engage you. The more we start getting attention on our social media, the more we can sell our PLR products relating to that particular niche. You might not understand everything I'm saying currently, but let's dive into the practical aspect. So to create our highly engaging video, you don't need to start putting yourself on camera like me. We'll be using AI tools to actually create this video. This is why I said it is so simple to actually implement this. It's just like copy and paste. What you simply have to do is to use a particular AI tool to create these videos. It will create these videos for you for free without any charges. It will create it for you for free, and I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can generate a prompt that you can use for this AI to generate high quality videos for you. Now, to generate our prompt, all we're using is ChatGPT. You want to go over to ChatGPT. So what I'm simply going to tell ChatGPT here is that give me some YouTube short ideas, because we will also be using YouTube shorts. Then you input your niche, so the particular niche that you are going for. So you input the niche. Let me What I'm simply going to do now is to pick any of these particular topic. So I'm gonna pick this particular one right here, this number 9. So and I'm going to hit on copy. So bear that in mind. So this particular AI tool that I'll be using to generate our video is called InVideo, and I'm going to be putting some link in the video description that you can use to access this particular website. So once you reach their website right here, so just sign up. It is totally free. So I'm just going to sign up right here and log in. Now, once you are here, what you simply want to do is to come over here and click on YouTube Shorts. Okay, so make sure you click on YouTube Shorts, because the format that we want to be using is just short videos that will quickly make us go viral and be able to sell these PLR products and incorporate our links into our videos. So just click on paste, and I've pasted the particular prompts that I generated from ChatGPT. Then the next thing you want to simply do is just to select any gender that you want to translate the video for you. So I'm just going to select a male. So then you can choose any voice right here, or maybe you just select a specific voice that you want. Maybe you want the voice you want to be using to be unique, then you can continue using that particular voice. I would suggest that you pick a particular voice so that your audience will know whenever they are engaging with your video that, okay, this is your own particular style. Okay, but for me currently I'm going to be using any voice. Okay, then you want to leave it at add subtitles. Okay, then you want to change this use iStock normally to don't use iStock, because if you are using iStock, it will use up your credits so much very fast, even though you can actually create another account and try to use InVideo with it whenever you use your credits up. So that's basically it. If you want to be continue creating multiple videos, you can create multiple accounts. Okay, but don't overuse that particular privilege so that they don't they don't ban you from their platform. Okay, so then the next thing you want to simply do, if you know that you actually want to use this tool more often and you've started making money through this particular method, then what you want to do is to actually try to upgrade. Okay, so that you can get much more features from this particular tool right here. So then the next thing you want to simply do is just to click on this continue over here, and as you can see, we have everything set up. You can see it is want to just cross check this particular one right here again. Then you want to click on this particular prompt. You want to check everything if it's if you are satisfied with it. Then the next thing you want to simply do is to click on generate a video. So this is just for you to customize your video more and for the AI to know what exactly is going to be working on. So as you can see right here, it's saying your audience will be digital marketers or marketing students or business owners, whoever you want to target. Then the look and feel, is it minimalist, modern, or professional, or crisp? So I'm going to be leaving it at minimalist, modern. Then the platform, YouTube Shorts. You can go ahead and edit the prompt if you are not satisfied with it yet, or you think you want to create, or you think you want to make additional changes. Then you want to click on continue. Now it has created our video for us, and it is so much engaging. I've checked it out, and the next thing you want to do, if you don't like anything from the video it has actually created for you, you can actually give it a command to edit the video, maybe to change the stock image that they use, or maybe to change the appearance, or to change anything there. Then you can easily give it the command and it will do exactly like you instructed it to do. So the next thing you want to do after you are done and you are completely satisfied with it is for you to go over to this export right here. Then you click on export video. Now what you simply want to do is to actually go ahead and export your video like this. Now if you want to actually go with no watermarks, or you want to go with any of these none or subtle, then you have to actually upgrade for the paid plan. But you can still actually go ahead with this, and I'm going to show you later on how you can actually remove the watermark that InVideo will put onto your video. I'm going to show you how you can actually remove that particular watermark right here in this video. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. Alright, so the next thing we're going to simply do is just to click on continue, and it's going to start exporting our video. And as you can see, our video has been exported successfully. So the next thing we want to simply do is just to go ahead and hit on this download button right here. Now the video is downloaded. For you to remove the particular watermark that InVideo has placed on your video, what you simply have to do is very simple. Just go ahead and use CapCut. So open your CapCut application. Okay, so now the next thing you want to simply do is just to go ahead and import that particular video that we just downloaded. Then you want to drag it over onto the timeline. So as you can see right here, there is a watermark that's currently showing on this video. So to actually just remove that, so what you simply want to do here is very, very simple. We just want to crop out this particular space that the watermark is, and also the down one, so that we can easily erase the watermark from the video. So we will come over and click on edit. All right, so right click on your clip, then come over to edit, then come over down to crop ratio, and as you can see, go down a little bit like that, then come up a little bit like that. Just click on confirm and you have it. What you simply want to do is just to export the video right now, or you can just even put your own particular brand name under this particular empty spaces, or to write some captions that will make your video come out even much more. So the next thing you want to simply do after you are done with this process is just to come over to your Chrome browser, then come over to pixabay.com. So what we are going to do on pixabay.com is just to select the profile picture that we'll be using across all our social media handles. We are going to make sure this is actually showing image. Now you can choose from all these. You can choose and download any that you want. Okay. Regarding your own niche, if your niche is health and fitness, you type in health and fitness here. Then once you download this, you upload it. You create a Facebook page. You create your TikTok account, create your YouTube account, and create your Instagram account. Then you want to have a particular unique name that will relate to your niche. For example, I can name my own brand Digital Marketing Guru because it is related to digital marketing. Now, the most important part after you are done creating your profile and you've given it a nice background like this. So what you simply want to do is to start creating this type of video that I just showed you how to create. Then start uploading it to your Facebook Reels. Okay, those are the places that you can actually get massive views because they will be in the short form feed. Likewise, YouTube Shorts and also TikTok and also Instagram. Upload it across all the social medias and you start getting some tractions. It might not explode immediately, okay, but with time and consistency, you start getting a whole lot of views from this video. Now, the most important aspect of all is for you to put the link to your product. You want to put it on your TikTok profile when you reach 1,000 subscribers. You want to put it across all your social media. Whenever anyone that's a fan of yours that wants to know more about you and they click on the bio, they can actually see your product. Remember that I've taught you guys how to create a payment link that people can click on and view your product, your PLR product that you want to sell to them, and they will immediately make purchase once it resonates with what they are looking for. Trust me, this method is going to work because you creating this type of videos will make you build trust and build a foundation with your audience. So once you add their trust, they won't have issues opening their wallets for you and paying you for your service. So what they are paying for would be related to what the value that you are giving them. They want more. That is just the nature of human being. When you are giving them value, they will always want more from you. Now, if you just direct them to your bio or to the pinned comment section, this is where you input the payment link that you generated from sales.co or seller.co that we used in the previous video. Then you just need to sit back, watch, and start watching money coming in autopilot. But you have to know that before you can actually start getting money and start getting paid, you have to put in some work. And this is the same work that I've shown you right here. You have to keep on generating ideas. They keep on uploading them onto InVideo, and you have to edit the caption out. You have to edit, get better and get much more better. I've shown you guys the concept, and I know you guys are much more wiser. So all you need is just the concept. Once you grab the concept, you'll be able to create multiple videos and you'll be able to make a whole lot of money for yourself. And I'm very, very sure after you've applied this method, you later come back into the comment section and take me later. But note, like I said earlier, consistency is the key. I've revealed a powerful tool for you, but you have to be wise while you are using it. You don't just go ahead and create one or two posts and start expecting sales. You need to be consistent. You need to be patient, and with time you start getting the result that you so desire. The last thing that I want you to keep in mind, and it's very, very important, this can ruin all your social media and all your hard work, is for you not to start posting in bulk. What you want to bear in mind is that you are working with an algorithm, and the way all the social media algorithm works, they work with space and time. Okay, so as long as you're putting out quality content out there, you don't want to stock everything into the face of the algorithm. You want to space your time. Maybe, for example, you choose to actually upload at 2 p.m. every single day. That's okay. Or maybe you plan on uploading 2 videos a day, one in the morning and one in the night. So that's okay, as long as you don't just post like 10 videos a day, 100 videos a day, that is totally absurd. Bearing this in mind, I'm very sure with time and consistency and patience, you're going to start getting the result that you want. Guys, if you have actually gotten value from this video, please go ahead and hit on the like button. This is a way of you telling me that I'm doing a good job and I should continue providing value for you guys. Now, if you want to discover another huge way to actually make a whole lot of money online, in which I do almost every single day, this business model is very simple, and it is called affiliate marketing. Just there is a whole lot of money in affiliate marketing, but if you don't know the proper tool and the proper way to get started, you might actually end up making nothing. I've made thousands of dollars doing affiliate marketing and I continue making money with it. And if you want to learn how I've been doing it, then this video right here will show you exactly how you can get started right away. My name is Ola and I remain the mayor of Your Concept. I'll see you guys in this lesson right here.